Want a little more privacy? Let's add a bubble in Life360 app. First, open your Life360 app on your device. Look for the bubble option and turn it on. You will see a slider that lets you choose how big your bubble is. Larger bubbles hide your exact location but still show you are nearby. See it how you want. Then tap Activate Bubble. Your exact location will be hidden for a set amount of time. Bubbles expires after a few hours, so remember you'll go back to normal tracking afterward. If you don't see the bubble option, update your app. It's a newer feature. Would you choose bubbles often? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.